guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the purge valve for the GMC Arcadia. So first off, let's take the oil cap off. I've already loosened this, so just pull that out. Now once you pull that out, I would recommend putting the oil cap back on, if I can get it on. Alright, and now once you do that, the purge valve is right here. So first thing you want to do, take the clip off. There you go. And then you can't really see it, but there's another green button on the other side. Just push it and pull it off. And then I've already loosened it, so there is a 10mm right there. Loosen that up and then carefully pull it out. As you can see, it has come out. So there's a 10mm, and then just pull it out. Here's the old one, and here's the new one. So if you look here, you put this one, which is this one, on the back. So we'll put it on the back. Once you get these in, it should come with one of these. Mine came with two for some reason. But, you know, before you put it in, just make sure that it fits. So, as you can see, it fits. So, what you're going to do is you're going to put it on the inside. So, it's going to go in like that. Alright, so if we go by the old one, we'll see that that is what the finished product. So, a tip is, and before you put that one in, you might want to put that in and then put this in. So I recommend put the rubber part in first, then put that, and then put this one on, because I struggled a little bit. It's not that hard, but it's there. Now I would recommend putting some kind of lubricant around here, just so when you pop it in, it won't go anywhere. And then you assemble it back together, and that is it, guys. So let's assemble it real quick. So that's in, and we'll get the 10mm, put that in there. Alright guys, once you have the 10mm in there and it's nice and tight, you don't want to strain it too much, then just clip it back together, and that's it, guys. Boom, that's clipped. That is nice and secure, and you are done. And that's how you replace the purge valve. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment on the video if you enjoyed it, and then please subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.